Hey everyone, welcome to my kitchen. If you're new here, thank you for stopping by. And if you're a regular, thank you for returning. Today I had a taste for a Cuban sandwich, so I decided why not make a video on how to make a Cuban sandwich. So the first thing you're going to need is Cuban bread. And I have a video on how to make Cuban bread. This is homemade Cuban bread. The next thing you're going to need is a pork roast. And this is leftover pork roast. So you definitely have to have pork roast to make a Cuban sandwich. Next, you're going to need ham. And I have some ham here. You're going to need some pickles. You're going to need some Swiss cheese, some butter, and you're going to need some mustard. So let's get started. First thing you're going to do is cut off the ends of the bread because you don't need that. And being that I'm only making a sandwich for myself, I'm just going to put the other half of the bread aside for someone else. And I'm going to slice down the middle of the bread and open it up. And next thing I'm going to do is add some mustard. So next I'm going to add some ham, and you can add as much ham as you want. I'm going to add a few slices of ham. I don't want mine to be too thick, so because I want to add more pork. That's where the flavors are in this sandwich, because if you've seen my video on how to make paleta de cerdo or pork shoulder, Cuban style, oh my gosh, the pork is really the main heart of this sandwich to me. Now we're going to add on the slices of roasted pork, and we're going to put as much as we want. So this is up to you. Mojo marinade is marinated in the pork overnight, and it's full of citric flavors and garlic and all the spices, cumin, oregano. It really is delicious if you let it sit overnight. Anyway, moving right along, I'm adding some pickles, and after I add the pickles, I'm going to add my Swiss cheese to this. And then we're halfway there. So now I'm going to add about 2 to 3 slices of Swiss cheese to my sandwich. And I'm going to add some butter to the top of my bread. And I already have my grill preheating from earlier. So now I'm just adding some butter. And in 2 to 3 minutes, my sandwich will be ready. Now, normally lard is used for this recipe on top of the sandwich, but I'm putting butter because butter is frequently used to make the Cuban sandwich. And guys, I am telling you, once you eat a sandwich Cubano, you'll never, ever, ever forget it. So now, time to slice my sandwich in half and enjoy. Y aquí tiene mi sándwich cubano. This is a sandwich of all sandwiches. Mira qué bonito. Queda muy delicioso. Well, guys, if you like this video, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you won't miss out on any recipes. Follow me on Instagram and follow me on Facebook at my Facebook group called Lolita's Cuban Kitchen. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. God bless. Bye-bye.